Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a shared folder from your VirtualBox manager to a VirtualBox machine. And this is going to be a crucial step before we start going into the MSF console or the interpreter console for the next few videos. So let's get this started. First, go into settings. After you open VirtualBox, go into shared folders. Then go into the plus sign on the folder right here. Folder path, do other, and then we're just gonna make one real quick on the desktop, new folder. We'll just do shared VM folder. And the mount point, we're gonna do /home. Let me check it real quick here. Check the path. Okay, so /home/Kali/desktop. And we'll do auto mount, make permanent. Okay. Okay, now I have my machine mounted already. I have to restart it though, so let me do that real quick. Under settings, just check that it's in the shared folders area. There it is. Okay. Okay, so I got this running again, and if I go here, do ls, enter. Okay, so it's gonna be the desktop. Okay, so I got my VM pulled up here. Let's see if we can access our shared folder now. So go ahead and open a terminal right here. Go ls. And we set it up as the desktop. If I go back to this, I can see which directory we set it on. Yeah, desktop, okay. So cd desktop. I'm just gonna check something real quick, because this is the one that we set as a shared VM folder. And I want to try putting something in it from this side and see if it transfers to that side, how it should. So I'm just going to make a new file or a new folder. And from the terminal, ls, make sure it shows up. So cd desktop os, new folder, there it is. So I want to mv to move new folder. To, let's see, check on this side. Desktop, oh. Okay, that's kind of weird. Looks like we actually ended up creating the desktop folder by moving new folder to desktop from within desktop. That's kind of strange. So let me see if it will work with the file though. So I want to create a new file. Empty file. And we're going to move it into that desktop. Okay. And let's check this desktop now. There it is. So that's how you set up a shared folder. It's kind of weird. But just follow as I did, and you should be fine. That's what you're gonna need for the next video that I'm gonna make, where you're gonna be transferring what you create in the VirtualBox to your desktop, but you're gonna be able to do it through the shared folder, so you don't have to set up like a cloud storage or anything to do that. Alright, catch you later.